Hello everyone, my name is Sony Jose. I will explain my work on experiment 1 in Tableau, which is about connecting data sources and setting the correct data types. It's about connecting data sources and setting the correct data types. The main aim of this experiment is to bring a dataset like an Excel or CSV file into Tableau and make sure that each column is recognized with the proper data type. This step is very important because Tableau needs to know whether a column is a number, a date, or text in order to perform calculations and create visualizations accurately. In my experiment, I first connected an Excel file to Tableau. Tableau automatically detects the data types for each column based on the values it contains. For example, columns with the numbers are set such as integers or decimals. Text columns are set as strings, and date columns are set as date or date and time. However, sometimes Tableau does not assign the correct data type. To see this, I added a new column in Excel that has a mixed data type such as numbers and letters together, like 1, 2, 3 and ABC. When I imported this column into Tableau, I noticed that Tableau automatically assigned the data type as text. Here was the problem. If a field has the wrong data type, Tableau cannot perform the right operations. For instance, if a number is stored as text, you cannot calculate sums or averages. Similarly, if a date column is recognized as text, you cannot use it in trend analysis or line charts. This can lead to misleading results or missing outputs in visualizations. To solve this, I manually changed the data type of the column in Tableau to the correct one. This ensured that Tableau could now read and process the data properly. For example, numeric fields could now be aggregated or used in calculations, and data fields could be used for trend analysis over time. During the experiment, I also observed how changing the data type affects visualization. For instance, after correcting a numeric column, I was able to create a bar chart that summed the value correctly. Before changing the type, Tableau treated the numbers as text, so it could only count the entries, not perform arithmetic operations. This clearly shows why setting the data type right is important. In addition to this task, I learned that Tableau supports a variety of data types including strings, numbers, boolean values, dates, date and time, and even geographic data for maps. Each type has its own use, and choosing the correct type ensures that the Tableau handles the data efficiently. Handling incorrect data types can be done in a few ways. You can fix the type directly in Tableau's data pane, correct it at the source, or use calculated fields for more complex conversions. Using the correct type not only prevents errors but also improves performance and ensures your visualizations are accurate. I will summarize about experiment 1 in few words. I connected a dataset to Tableau, observed how Tableau assigned data types automatically, identified incorrect types and corrected them. This process is essential for accurate analysis because the type of each field determines how Tableau interprets and visualizes the data. Overall, this experiment taught me that proper data preparation, including setting correct data types, is the foundation for meaningful and accurate data visualization in Tableau. Without it, even a perfect visualization tool cannot give correct insights. This concludes my explanation of experiment 1. Thank you.